Ever wondered if machines could outsmart us? Let's explore the world of AGI. Imagine a universe where machines could process thoughts as we do. Intriguing, isn't it? We are in an epoch where the idea of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is not just confined to the realms of science fiction. This speculative approach is all about reproducing our human cognitive capabilities in software code. It's akin to fabricating a digital persona of Einstein or Da Vinci. Yet do not mix it up with narrow AI, which is designed to master specific tasks. AGI, in contrast, is engineered to deal with unexpected tasks, just as we humans do. So, have we reached a stage where machines can mirror our thought process? Let's dive in and find out. The journey of AGI is a fascinating story of science and technology. It all began with the Church-Turing thesis, a groundbreaking notion that suggested every function of the human mind could be replicated by a machine. This was the seed that sprouted the concept of AGI, the idea of a machine not just performing tasks, but understanding and learning from them, just as a human would. The journey continued with the development of specific task-oriented AI, or narrow AI. These systems excelled in their designated tasks, whether it was playing chess, recognizing faces, or translating languages, but they lacked the ability to generalize their learning to unfamiliar tasks, a key characteristic of human intelligence. The dream of AGI, of a machine that could truly understand, learn, and adapt, remained elusive. It was a tantalizing mirage, always seeming just out of reach. But with each new development in AI, we nudged a little closer to it. Fast forward to the present day, and we're witnessing advancements in an exciting field called generative AI. These systems are capable of creating new content, be it a piece of music, a work of art, or even a piece of writing. They're a step closer to achieving the dream of AGI, of a machine that can think and create like a human. But as much as we've progressed, AGI still remains largely a theoretical concept. It's a goal we're striving towards, but haven't yet reached. The challenges are many, from ensuring the accuracy of AI outputs to addressing concerns about its impact on society. And while we're making strides in developing AGI, human oversight remains crucial to prevent inaccuracies and misinformation. The journey of AGI is far from over, and we might be closer to the destination than we think. The dream of a machine that thinks, learns, and creates like a human might seem far-fetched, but with the pace of technological advancement, who knows what the future holds? AGI is not just a theoretical concept. It holds immense potential. Imagine a world where software can replicate human cognitive abilities, not merely perform a specific task, but solve unfamiliar problems on its own. That's the promise of AGI. From mundane chores like cleaning your house or making your coffee, to complex problem-solving like curing diseases, or even predicting weather patterns, AGI could transform how we live and work. It could bring about a new era where machines are not just tools, but companions and collaborators. Just think about the possibilities. A world where AGI can autonomously conduct scientific research, solve complex mathematical problems, or even write the next bestseller. A world where AGI can learn, understand, and adapt to new situations just like a human being. But it's not just about what AGI can do. It's about how it could change our understanding of intelligence itself. Could a machine ever truly understand a human? Could it ever create something truly original? These are the questions AGI forces us to ask. With AGI, the possibilities are endless, but it's not all rosy. As promising as AGI sounds, it also raises some serious concerns. Like any powerful tool, it can have both positive and negative impacts depending on how it's used. The ability of AGI to solve unfamiliar tasks akin to human cognition opens up a Pandora's box of potential inaccuracies and misinformation. Imagine an AGI system making a mistake, or worse, being manipulated to spread false information. The repercussions could be massive and in some cases irreversible. Moreover, the autonomy of AGI, its ability to perform tasks without human intervention, may seem appealing. But this very feature can lead to unpredictable outcomes. What if the system makes a decision that, while technically correct, is ethically or socially unacceptable? This is why human oversight in AGI systems is not just beneficial, it's essential. Humans need to remain in the loop to ensure the ethical use of AGI, to correct errors and to steer the system back on track when needed. AGI might revolutionize our world, but it's important to tread carefully. So what does the future hold for AGI? That's the million-dollar question. Imagine a world where software mimics human cognitive abilities, solving unfamiliar tasks effortlessly. This dream, while currently theoretical, is inching closer to reality with advancements in generative AI. Some experts predict we could see AGI as soon as the year 2029, but remember, it's not all smooth sailing. Issues of accuracy and misinformation necessitate human oversight. While no one can predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: AGI will play a crucial role in shaping our world. So stay curious, stay informed, and let's see what the future holds. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned about AGI today. It's an exciting and complex field, with potential to revolutionize our world, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and concerns. As we continue to explore the future of AGI, we're sure to uncover more fascinating insights. Remember, the key to understanding is staying curious and informed. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into AGI and want more such insightful content, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us continue our journey of discovery and learning. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let's shape the future together. See you in the next video.